is for apple. A and apple. A is for apple. And A is for ant. B is for ball. B ball. B is for ball. B is for bear. B bear. B is for bear. C is for cat. C cat. C is for cat. C is for car. C car. C is for car. D is for dog. D dog. D is for dog. D is for duck. D duck. D is for duck. E is for elephant. E elephant. E is for elephant. E is for egg and E egg. E is for egg. F is for fish. F fish. F is for fish. F is for frog. F frog. F is for frog. G is for goat. G goat. G is for goat. G is for grapes. G grapes. G is for grapes. H is for hat. H hat. H is for hat. H is for horse. H horse. H is for horse. I is for igloo. I igloo. I is for igloo. I is for insect. I insect. I is for insect. J is for jam. J jam. J is for jam. J is for jellyfish. J jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K is for kite. K kite. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L leaf. L is for leaf. N is for mouse. N nest. N is for nest. N is for nut. N nut. N is for nut. O is for octopus. O octopus. O is for octopus. O is for owl. O owl. O is for owl. P is for pig. P P is for pig. P is for parrot. P parrot. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. Q quail. Q is for quail. Q is for queen. Q queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. R rabbit. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R rainbow. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun. S is for snake. Snake. S is for snake. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tiger. T is for tree. Tree. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. U umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is for violin. V violin. V is for violin. V is for face. V face. V is for vase. W is for whale. Whale. W is for whale. W is for watch. Watch. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray. Y is for
A is apple. Apple. A is for apple. B is banana. Banana. B is for banana. B. C is cherry. Cherry. C is for cherry. D is date. D is for date. E is elderberry. Elderberry. E is for elderberry. F is fig. F fig. F is for fig. G is grape. G grape. G is for grape. H is honeydew. H honeydew. H is for honeydew. I is kiwi. Kiwi. I is for kiwi. J is jackfruit. Jackfruit. J is for jackfruit. Wheat. K is kumquat. Kumquat. K is for kumquat. L is lemon. Lemon. L is for lemon. M is mango. raspberry. R, raspberry. R is for raspberry. S is strawberry. S, strawberry. S is for strawberry. T is tangerine. T, tangerine. T is for tangerine. U is ugly fruit. U, ugly fruit. U is for ugly fruit. V is Valencia. Orange. V, Valencia. Orange. V is for Valencia. Orange. W is watermelon. W, watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is Samania. X is Samania. X is for Samia. Yeah. Y is yellow passion fruit. Y, yellow passion fruit. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Z is zucchini, technically a fruit. Z, zucchini. Z is for zucchini.
A is for alligator. A, alligator. A, alligator. A, alligator. B is for bear. B, bear. B, bear. B, bear. C is for cat. T, cat. 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 D is for dog. D, dog. D, dog. Dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. E, elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. F, frog. F, frog. F, frog. G is for goat. G, goat. Goat. H is for horse. H, horse. H, horse. A horse. I is for iguana. I, iguana. I, iguana. I, iguana. J is for jellyfish. J, jellyfish. J, jellyfish. J, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. L, a lion. L, a lion. Lion. M is for monkey. 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 N is for newt. 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 O is for owl. O, owl. O, owl. Owl. P is for penguin. P, penguin. P, penguin. Penguin. Q is for quail. Q, quail. Q, quail. Quail. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. R, rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snake. S, snake. S, snake. Snake. T is for tiger. T, tiger. T, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella bird. U, umbrella bird. U, umbrella bird. U, umbrella bird. V is for vulture. V, vulture. V, vulture. Vulture. W is for whale. W, whale. W, whale. Whale. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Y, yak. Y, yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Zebra.